In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pause in Elevenlabs text-to-speech. To get started, open Elevenlabs and make sure you are on the main dashboard. This is where you will access the tools needed to create and edit your voice content. Once you are there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and select Text-to-Speech. That will open the workspace where you can type or paste the text you want the AI to read aloud. Next, add your script into the text box. This can be a full paragraph, a short sentence, or even a longer voiceover. Depending on what you are working on, it's a good idea to read through your script first so you can decide exactly where you want the pause to happen. Adding pauses intentionally can make the speech sound more natural, more expressive, and easier for listeners to follow. After that, move to the right-hand side of the screen and find the Settings panel. Under Settings, select the Model option, then choose 11v3 from the list. This is important because model behavior can affect how well certain formatting cues are understood. Using the correct model helps ensure the pause is interpreted properly and sounds smooth in the final audio. Now for the key part. It's best to add tags, and in this case, you can simply type the word pause inside square brackets. To do this, go into your script and place your cursor exactly where you want the silence to happen. Then type open square bracket, pause, close square bracket. When the text is processed, this will trigger an appropriate and natural sounding silence, without the AI actually saying the word pause out loud. This is especially useful when you want better pacing between ideas, a more dramatic delivery, or a cleaner break between sentences. If the timing doesn't feel right on the first try, you can always adjust the placement in your script and test it again. Even a small change in position can make a big difference in how the final result sounds. Once you've added the pause tag where needed, you can continue editing the rest of your script the same way. It's a simple technique, but it can really improve the overall quality and realism of your text-to-speech audio. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.